Hi, my name is TonyBuba, and I've been in this community for 75 years. My dad spent about 44 years down at DEP Mill. And one thing he told me was never trust U.S. Steel as a kid. And I think it still holds now. We went through the strike in 1959 where we were eating, surplus cheese and peanut butter because they didn't want to pay the workers what they deserved. And actually, my dad and other dads gave the workers today the contracts they have. The thing was, I asked, you say you live 2 miles within a well. Is it an unconventional, horizontal, directional drilling well?
So it is not an unconventional well, it is a directional well.
How many unconventional horizontal drilling wells have you built in Pennsylvania?
This is our first well in Pennsylvania.
And so after all this time, you probably think maybe this crowd's rowdy. I look, and Lewis was right. Look at the people, how many live in the 15104 zip code area on this panel? You are the people that left the community, not the ones that stayed, when I look at the faces up there. And the people here do get it. They're exhausted. I wish I had high school teachers as easy as the DEP. Okay, you flunked this test, let's bring you back in and do a couple corrections. I'd have gone to Harvard or Yale, instead of Edinburgh if that had happened. But, this community, all we do is fight. We have to fight for everything. We had to fight for 2 years, and we're exhausted. We had to fight 2 years to try to save the Braddock Hospital, and UPMC closed it and didn't care about our health care. We have to fight the school district so our children feel safe. We got to fight for public transportation so people can even get to their jobs. There isn't anything we have to fight for. We have to fight the police to make sure they have the proper training so they don't shoot our children in the back. And people are just tired. Now we got to fight against U.S. Steel. You heard it, the pollution level. You heard the asthma statistics, the cancer statistics. Everybody in my family's been riddled with cancer. My brother just died of cancer. We all lived in this area our whole lives. And how much more pollution do you want to give us? What do you want to do? We're exhausted from fighting. I think they said it before. How much fighting is left in us? There is, as you could tell. We won't stop because we're from Braddock, but we will keep fighting. But, I just don't trust you. I just can't trust you. There's nothing U.S. Steel has ever done to make me trust them. And if you don't believe me, Kenneth Galbraith didn't trust them. There's a documentary that was made in 1992 with Japanese steel owners, and an interview with Kenneth Galbraith, and he said, when it comes to their bottom line, they can't be trusted. And I just say, we don't want the whole drilling here.